This engagement was a tester's dream. A penetration test with no restriction and an all-access pass to an international cruise liner. We started roaming the vessel and looking for areas of interest and systems to compromise. We looked at an old ATM box and we disconnected that ATM box and we connected to it so we can gain network access to the systems. We were able to compromise the hotel management system. We basically changed our key cards and was able to issue ourselves access cards to really fancy rooms. We could have also changed the credit cards that our access cards are connected to and put in $100,000 to $500,000, and we could have been going on a shopping spree. With the high level of access that we gained to the cruise ship systems, a motivated attacker could have access to ship's operational control systems and caused a major incident. Fortunately, this simulated attack allowed the cruise line to identify their weaknesses and address them before they could be exploited in the wild.